Welcome to the Active Schools Activity Report User Guide. This report contains Active Schools data from 2021-22 academic year onwards. The report is currently generated annually. It begins with an introductory page showing you how to navigate your way through the report. To begin, click Start here. This takes you to the first page, which is the overview page. The overview page shows the total number of visits for each local authority and also breaking them down activity by activity. Map to the left hand side shows the total number of visits for each local authority. At any point in time you would like to go back to the intro page, click the documentation button at the left corner here. That takes you back to the intro page. The next page is the deliverers report, and this shows the total number of deliverers. There are filters at the top right corner here to make your selections, and most importantly, for activity. In this case, I would select handball, and the report updates to handball. There is a caveat on this particular chart, which says number of deliverers are not distinct values. And this is due to the method of data collection, which means this should not be taken as distinct values. Each of the reports contains a table below the chart, and this is to give an option for you to be able to drill down into the report to the school level. Another option available in this report is to export your data in case you would like to do further analysis. If I would like to export this data, this particular chart, in a table format, hover on the report and then you would see a three dots button which says more options. Click it and click export data. Select the second option and click export. The next page shows deliverers by qualification. This shows the split between certified deliverers, non-qualified, and qualified deliverers. The next report is the sessions report. You can switch between sessions, blocks, and average sessions per block. Next is sessions time, visits by local authority, visits by year group and sex. Full year data for sessions and visits are the addition of term 1, 2, and 3. The next page is the school to club links. School to club links are established when a club delivers a session. In addition to the filters here, we have the club filter, in which you can be able to select each of the clubs. The table below shows the split between schools and clubs. Below the table shows the total number of links. So in this case, I would select boxing. The total number of links for 2023-24 academic year full year for boxing is 16 school to club links. I can select the clubs here to view the schools that are linked to the clubs. This would update the school table here showing the 3 schools that are linked. Also, I can select a school to view the club. In this case, I will select Bell Baxter High School, and this is showing the club linked to that particular school. The last page is the club delivery. The club delivery report shows the average number of participants per activity block. Here we can see the total number of sessions that were delivered by clubs. I will be selecting another activity, and whenever an activity is selected, the club's filter button updates the clubs to that activity. And in this case, these are the clubs that delivered during the 2023-24 academic year. You can select each of these clubs to view the average participants across each year group.